can see by the title, we are doing a brand new exhaust on the STI. I've had this exhaust sitting in the garage. I've been so excited to put it on. I'll show you guys in a few. It's literally the best looking exhaust ever. It's always nice throwing some mods on the STI.
What's good, YouTube? Chris sold me his channel, so I'll be the new owner of this channel.
How much you buy for Henri?
Like a rack.
Damn, he's only worth a rack?
Yeah, I bought everything.
He bought his name, his social security number, credit cards. He has all his debt now.
Yeah, it's not Borges Supply anymore, it's Henri Supply.
I'm just his assistant.
Cut my sandwich.
Jason's gonna wash his car after he eats his cut sandwich.
After I eat my two.
Yeah, he didn't cut.
Why?
It's so proper. It looks so clean. Damn. Dude, everybody was laughing at the text message I put on my story.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Didn't know how it's hardworking individuals.
This is a hardworking Korean. Self-driven entrepreneur. No way, that was so close. As you can see, we got a little wash day. All the homies washing their cars. While they do that, as you can see, I just set up the quick jacks. We have an exhaust installed for the STI today. As you can see right here, we have a box from AeroflowDynamics. Now this is the blue titanium exhaust for the STI. We actually did this recently with this car. We just installed their blue titanium CATBACK on the BRZ, and this thing looks insane. Check it out. Pretty much like a Tomei, but it's all blue. I was just talking to the guys over at AFD, and he was telling me that this system right here is louder and deeper than a Tomei. So I'm actually really curious to hear what this sounds like with this current setup. Go ahead and pop the hood real quick. So recently, I actually threw on the HKS blow-off valve, and it's gonna be hard to see. Yeah, you definitely can't see it, but we have a downpipe. We have the Grimspeed catted downpipe. Thing sounds amazing. We are officially in the air thanks to the quick jacks. I love this thing so much. This is the current setup. We have the AWE track, but yeah, as you can see, there's just like a little, kind of like a mini resonator, and then no mufflers in the rear. But that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Literally looks like one of a kind. So after unboxing it, it comes with a little silencer. As always, whenever we get these, they go straight in the trash. This is what it looks like pretty much unboxed. I took all the wrapping off, but check it out. They actually hook it up with some gloves. Shout out to AFD. We got two clamps for, you know, two of the connections on the pipe. This goes around the muffler. It's kind of like a support, so you can hang it on the hangers. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the old AWE exhaust. Probably piece this together like loosely and then mock it up on the STI. Thing looks freaking beautiful. Also, it's like a nice little touch. Sometimes it gets confusing on which way the pipe should be like facing downwards or upwards, because it does have this like special bend right here. It's cool. This nice little detail they included, and like an arrow up, so that means obviously this side faces up. It actually helps big time, you know, because you can't really tell which side, you know, like faces up or down. Just the amount of detail and the quality in this exhaust is just insane, and you never really see systems looking like this, like full blue titanium. I kind of just put it together. It's, as you can see, very loose. I usually tighten it last second, so we'll mock it up on the car right now. check it out. We just finished up the AFD exhaust install. Dude, it looks so good. Honestly, super straightforward. There's really only like 1, 2 clamps and then the 2 bolts in the front. And then the little muffler support that goes around here. But dude, it looks so good. I feel like single exit looks like superior on this car. Nice little angle.
I would say like take off.
Dude, I'm hyped. Do you think it's gonna be loud?
Yeah. I feel like it's gonna be the same as the BRT.
Oh. It's already warm, that's why. Ooh, it sounds. I like it. It sounds really good. And it's not too loud. It's not obnoxious. Wow, very mature sound. Chris becoming a mature man.
Guys, I'm that neighbor.
I think it's the perfect audio.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I got you guys on the GoPro. We're gonna get some POV driving before it gets too dark. It's definitely a little bit quieter than the AWE track that we have on it. It's much more tame. Definitely quieter, but it still sounds good. Cop right there. Awkward. What do you guys think though? Let me know down in the comment section below. Oh my gosh. For some reason, it feels like it made my intake louder. I think I'm just like hearing things, but I don't know, something sounds different. Dude, the downshifts with this tune is crazy. Sounds so good. Literally the HKS blow valve, best investment I've ever purchased for this car. It just sounds amazing. I've burned through so much gas ever since I've been on the car. Because I'm like forced to just like always make that thing go off. Like, through like hard acceleration, it just sounds so good. Like that signature HKS blow off valve noise. Oh man, so good. I do a little pull right here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Dude, I feel like the car is faster. Just pulled up to the shop. We got Danny with us and Jason. Probably gonna get some exhaust clips right here, like just flying by so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the outside. Damn, I haven't been here forever. Yeah. Dude, it's crazy. Clocking in, brother?
Yeah.
What you shooting today?
Some products.
Dude, look at all my junk, guys. Freaking all my stock exhaust.
Yeah, look at your junk.
Suspension. A lot of you guys asked me to put on the Street Hunter diffuser. I actually have it right here, just chilling.
Oh, wait, hold on. Before we begin, what fucking wheel are you getting for the STI?
It's a wheel that...
Have you done it before?
No.
No.
I've done it before.
Actually, I have, but a variation of it.
Someone in our group has done it before.
What?
And I've done it before, but like a variation of it. On a different car.
Oh, okay. That's not really a variation. That's
No.
like misleading.
No?
No. Somebody has had the wheels. I will not tell you who though.
It's not him though?
No.
I've had the wheel, but like a variation of it. There's like a
Misleading.
there's like a monoblock and a 3-piece version of it.
Okay.
That's misleading.
How's that misleading, bro? That makes total sense.
Damn, guess it on the first try.
Let's try to do a kickflip.
I never skated in my life, but I always wanted to learn how to do a kickflip, bro.
These trucks are
The little ollie. Do a nollie.
those are hard. Oh my god. You never skated ever?
Little pop shove it. Bro, when I was like 6 years old, I wanted to. Like oh shit. But you almost had it. Blow off sounds crazy. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm glazing. Oh my god, what the? Pops are definitely louder now. Unless that's just his tune. Did you like increase pops? Or is that just the exhaust?
It's a tune.
That shit is loud.
I just take the time to kind of like detail the whole car. Honestly, I've been doing that more after washing it, because like I don't know, usually I just like wash it and I don't know, it's nice to like throw like a layer of like ceramic on it. It makes it like super shiny. But no, this is not sponsored, but I feel like this is like literally the best freaking spray on ceramic. I think you're the one that actually put me onto that. The Greets?
Greets? Yeah, that thing is clutch.
Fire.
It actually works like ceramic.
Yeah.
That day after I washed at your house, I did the same.
You did it?
Next day.
I feel like it just like makes it extra clean.
I just,
I like doing it now.
sprayed it down, wiped it
Yeah.
down.
But where are we going? Where are we going?
Alright, look. Alright guys.
Hey, it's been a while.
It's been months. Hence the casino right now. How much are you starting with? Alright, like,
260.
Let's stay our start.
260.
Starting balances right now. 260. Alright, I'm gonna start with 160. I'll do 160.
The way I look at it is 260. Like that 60 is kind of just like a cushion.
Yeah, cushion.
And
like,
then
in
the
case you
200
need to-
is the real stuff, you know?
I'm gonna say 160.
160?
Or should I do 200 and the 40 is my cushion?
240.
Yeah, I'm not playing.
Coming with us though?
I am.
Always hanging out.
He's disappointed.
Very disappointed. This is the future of America right here.
At least let us know what you think is gonna happen tonight.
Nah.
Okay, well, hopefully you guys end up doubling. No bad.
Jason's gonna be supervising us.
Yeah.
He's
think
the,
I'll
the
be good
dad
manager.
tonight.
If I hit 600, I'm leaving. I'm done.
If you hit 600, you're leaving.
Yeah, I'm done.
That's a lie. You're gonna keep going. Jason's like the dad of the group. He's like making
I
sure
know,
we're
yeah.
we're behaving.
godfather.
Yeah.
Taxing us.
Alright, y'all. So it's been about, I don't even know, 5 or 6 hours since the last time we updated you guys. Last clips, we were barely leaving to the casino. It's been a long time, but we got some news. We forced Jason to go,
Yeah.
and he won.
I was forced to come. I didn't want to go.
And you won, bruh.
I told myself no casino like 4 months ago, and I've been really good.
Same.
All of us.
I haven't been to this casino since my birthday in June. We used to go a lot.
No way.
Literally, I'm not even joking.
Is he lying?
I'm gonna choose right now.
All right.
Who's showing the bands first? Who's showing
You
the
definitely.
who's
No, no.
showing-
You're the one that won first. Anyways, we're playing blackjack.
So,
Playing blackjack all night.
all
for
black,
Yeah.
5 hours.
$5 bets. The cheapest, lowest one you can go.
4 hours.
I want 300. No. Yeah, 300.
Where's the proof at?
He won like a little, like, I guess you could say like jackpot on
Yeah.
2 hands. There you go. There's the winnings from Jason.
From $0.
And you were forced to go.
Yeah, I was forced to. Go.
Damn.
I was forced
So
to be
sorry
there.
you won,
I was
bro.
forced to be.
I should have made you pay for gas.
Alright.
You forced me to go. You should pay for my food.
Alright, let's see Danny's winnings.
Yeah, some
Hey, we were down
Yeah, we
too.
were down
That's the
bad.
thing. We were down.
all of us.
Man,
It's the
okay,
man
I'm
himself.
not gonna lie, I was hella sad. Like
He
I
was
down
pissed
bad.
off the entire time. Every time I would win, I look at Chris, and he would just be like,
I was literally
looking
at the
straight
table,
down.
I was literally at the table, just like I was sad, bro.
It was
Like,
bad.
It was,
It was bad.
It was bad. It was.
Until.
Pretty much, it was like a jackpot, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Actually,
We'll
yeah.
call it mini jackpot, literally.
Crazy.
Not the Benjis. How much is that, bro? You gotta count it though. You gotta slap me in the face. Slap me in the face with it. Slap me in the
Two.
fucking.
Slap me in the face with it.
2K, bro. I won 2K off of this little jackpot.
Two.
I gotta do
The money spread though. Money spread. Stop playing. Oh.
Hey, you're tripping.
That was off of what? $20.
I was literally down to my last $5. Not
That's
even joking.
insane.
You were.
Yes, because bro,
Not
you
even
was
joking.
playing like you was playing.
Won a $5 bet.
Yeah.
So it was you got 10
That was all I
back.
had, bro, yeah,
And
literally.
Danny looks down at you and just kind of smiles. I remember that.
The only reason why I smiled is I was like, at like this deep in.
It's fine. He got 2K. You can
Okay,
say
no,
it.
but like this deep in, like why are you playing $5 hands?
I was literally just trying to survive, like, off of my
No,
last
but the
shit.
crazy thing is, he won it once, and then he lost all of it down
Yeah.
to 5, and then
I
he
was-
won the 2K.
So you
I
won.
was down bad.
So you hit the mini jackpot for like 300.
yeah,
Yeah.
317.
And
And
we're
I
like,
lost
oh,
it.
he's up.
I lost
And
it.
he lost it.
Lost it, bro.
Lost it all.
And then with your last $5, you came back up to 2,000.
Yeah.
It's crazy.